there's a fucking spider on my wall. You got to be kidding me. Good. Hey my loves, welcome to Styles by Tara Love Diva. And you are in my little sewing area. I'm going to give you a tour of my sewing area. But I'm going to give you a little basic on what my channel is going to be about now. And it's going to be Styles by Tara Love Diva. I'm going to have my logo up here really soon. Real soon. I'm going to have my logo posted. I'm going to have my logo actually done really soon. So with that being said, Styles by Tara Love Diva is just giving you pretty much everything that pieces that I love to create. I've been doing this for years. I don't know if you watched the previous video, but I've been doing this for years. I've been self-taught how to sew, how to design, how to cut patterns, how to design patterns. Everything pretty much is self-taught. I have not used a sewing machine in about 10 years. Yes, it's been a long time. Life happened and I got out of fashion for about a hot minute. Am I a fashion designer? Yes and no. I design my own pieces. Like I said, all of my pieces are here on the wall, and there'll be more. I'm going to have my sketchbook showing you different pieces that I have made. I'm also going to be doing sewing tips on sewing. At the same time that I'm relearning this, I will be teaching you the same thing that I am learning at the same time. Relearning at the same time. Long as you stay over there and I stay over here, we good for now. I'm not re-recording this video over again. Anyway, on this channel, I will be, now it's going to irritate me. On this channel, I am going to be showing you tips on sewing, like how to thread a bobbin, how to thread the machine, or that's going to be in a thing, how I make my patterns, and how I come up with designs. So it's going to be like tips on how I do things, how I revamp clothing. Like this is from, I don't remember, but it was gifted to me from somewhere. This is a blazer that's actually oversized. It's too big for me, and I'm just going to go ahead and create, change it up because it's a little big. Make it a wrap blazer type thing here, but I'm gonna have to change a few things. I'm gonna have to cut the sleeves and make this a little shorter because it's, like I said, it's an oversized shirt. I'm also gonna give you a tour on this video of my sewing space. So it's not that big, and it's not that big. So with that being said, I just came on to give you a idea of what I'm changing my channel into, which is Styles by Tara Love Diva, and come sew with me. That's going to be called, the segment called Come Sew With Me. And that's pretty much it. So let's get a grand tour of my office. I'm at my sewing room. But I'm going to have to cut this off and figure out how to kill that spider because it's irritating me.